Okay, in this video we're going to set the phone up to use the Google keyboard instead of the default LG keyboard. So we're going to start by turning our phone on and unlocking it. We're going to go into the app drawer, and then we're going to click on the settings icon. If it's not on your first page of apps, it might be on your second page of apps or third or whatever. Click on settings. And then you're going to want to scroll down until you find language and input. Click on language and input. Now on this underneath keyboard and input methods, there are a few different things here. First is this spot right here. If you click on default, this is where you choose which of your keyboards you're going to use. Now the phone doesn't come by default, the phone doesn't come with the Google keyboard checked, so you're going to want to put a check mark in the Google keyboard box, and you're going to want to put a check box in the Google voice typing box. And after you have check marks in both of those boxes, then click on your default where it says default, and you'll notice that now Google keyboard is an option that can be chosen. So we're going to want to choose the Google keyboard, and it shows that Google keyboard is now chosen as the default keyboard. If we can now go back to our main menu and go into messaging, you'll see that the keyboard for your phone is now a black keyboard, and it now has the little microphone where you click the microphone and say, this is where I want to type my text message. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't push the record button. Push the record button. And as per usual, Google Voice, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. This is where you will type your text. Now you see I don't have to type it, I can just say it and it ends up coming up onto the screen. Even if it's not something I want to happen, it will happen nonetheless. So anyway, that's how you set up your phone to use the Google keyboard and the Google speech to text.